category. I told that bitch that ain't my baby hoe, let's go to Maury. And I ain't talking about $1, let me clear that for you. Bitch, I'm a baby, so that other baby getting aborted. I'm only 19 going on 20, but clutching on 40. And if I catch him in the street, then he getting extorted. I could've paid the whole fee, but I had to just short him. But if I whack him, call my lawyer, got Morgan and Morgan. No photo lens, or we gon' shoot like we love recording. Cause if my niggas handle up, yeah, they getting rewarded. Say it's a tag on his head, I know I can afford it. Hey, street sweepers beat the block like a nigga be torching. My niggas never switched up on me, and I thank the Lord. We just too solid, and they gon' ride like Honda Accord. Gave them the world like Dora, and I let them explore it. Lost a few niggas in my path, but now I'm moving forward. My circle tighter than the bitch, but we built up like Ford. DQ get high up out that gas, I can tell when he bored. The middle man, I'm but the plug, I guess he put his cord. My niggas running to a check and they all unemployed. But it's some shit that we done did that I can't speak up on. Done did this and did that to taking nigga guns. These niggas sweeter than a bitch, I'm talking honey bun. Don't want no smoker, we got extensions like a salon. The way I'm swagging on the beat, I just be having fun. And Johnny still the same nigga, be up before the sun. Before I jeopardize my life, my niggas get it done. We operate a little different cause I'm the chosen one. I never played golf, but with the Glock I put a hole in one. Stepping by myself, no witnesses, no they ain't noticed none. Pop a nigga talk, then after that I might just roll a blunt. But I don't even smoke, so to be honest, I just told you son. Got my back against the wall, but who was there for me to call? And all you niggas bitches in my eyes know we ain't scared of y'all. Like Jada Pickett and Queen Latifah, you know I set it off. Ain't no point in beefing on the real, bitch, I'm better off. In a penthouse, throwing up them racks. And let it fall before I hit 20, gon' be that nigga. Let's bet it all. Niggas out here sleeping on the game like what they telling y'all. My whole team eating. It ain't no way that I won't let them ball.